guys, this is Spectra, and today we're on to day 14 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. So let's open up day 14 and see what we got. Okay, day 14 is Tropic Thunder hot sauce. Just hold it up there. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. Okay, got it open and let's see how it tastes. The taste went by so fast. It was like there, I tasted it, then it left, and then a tiny little kick. It's strange. Now let's try it for chips. Yeah, once again, it just went by so fast. So, yeah, it tasted good. It had a kick, but it just went by so fast. So, yeah, because of that, I'm probably gonna have to give this like a 5 out of 10. So, yeah, that was Tropic Thunder hot sauce. Oh, I get it. It was lightning fast. So yeah, that was Chili's hot sauce advent calendar day 14. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for day 15 coming tomorrow. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.